Top 05 most famous and luxury brands of kits and trousers for men and women. Imagine waking up on a cold winter morning. You step outside for a jog. The air is sharp. Your breath is visible. But your body? It feels warm, flexible, confident, unstoppable. Now imagine the same trousers. At night, under neon lights, at a party. Then again on a football ground. Then again while biking on a highway. Then again while sitting inside a luxury car. One trouser. One kit. Every moment of life. This is not just clothing. This is status, comfort, performance, identity, and luxury stitched together. From Olympic stadiums to nightclubs. From cricket grounds to fashion runways. From mountain hikes to daily walks. Today, you are not watching a normal video. Not all luxury brands deserve your money. Only 5 of them truly dominate. Sports, fashion, comfort, and lifestyle. And one of them stands so far above the rest that once you see it, you'll never look at trousers the same way again. Stay with me, because what you're about to discover is not just clothing. It's status, performance, comfort, and confidence, stitched into one powerful identity. And trust me, brand number 1 will shock you. You are entering the elite world of global luxury kits and trousers. These are the brands worn by professional athletes, celebrities, fashion icons, fitness lovers, everyday legends like you. Stay till the end, because brand number 01 is not just clothing. It's a lifestyle revolution. Let's begin the countdown. Number 5 brand. Puma. Origin company, Puma SE. Country, Germany. Founder, Rudolf Dassler. Founded, 1948. Puma is where sports energy meets street luxury. Features. Puma kits and trousers are designed with breathable fabrics, stretch technology, and lightweight materials that adapt instantly to body movement. Benefits. Perfect for cricket, football, basketball, gym, jogging. Stylish enough for parties and nightclubs. Ideal for summer cooling and winter layering. Core competencies. Sport fashion fusion. Athlete-inspired innovation. Everyday luxury comfort. Comfort level. Extremely comfortable with flexible waistbands and ergonomic fitting. Cloud softness. Soft touch cotton blends and moisture-wicking polyester. Price range: $40 to $120. Customer reviews. Customers love Puma for its long-lasting comfort, modern designs, and all-day wearability. Many say it feels sporty yet classy. What truly makes Puma stand out is how effortlessly it blends movement with attitude. The moment you wear Puma trousers, your body feels free. Every step, every jump, every turn flows naturally. Whether you're warming up on a cricket field, sprinting down a basketball court, or walking into a night party with confidence, Puma moves exactly the way you move. The fabric breathes when your body heats up and stays comfortable when the temperature drops. That's why people across the world trust Puma not just for sports, but for everyday life. Official website: https://www.puma.com. Number 4 brand. Adidas. Origin company, Adidas AG. Country, Germany. Founder, Adolf Adi Dassler. Founded, 1949. Adidas is discipline, performance, and global prestige. Features. Advanced technologies like Aero-Ready and Climacool keep the body dry and balanced. Benefits. Works in all weather conditions. Ideal for sports, travel, daily routine, and casual fashion. Trusted by professionals worldwide. Core competencies: sports engineering, sustainability leadership, iconic global branding. Comfort level: elite level comfort trusted by athletes. Cloud softness. Smooth fabrics with temperature control feel. Price range: $50 to $150. Customer reviews. Customers describe Adidas trousers as reliable, premium, and confidence-boosting. And here's the magic: Adidas doesn't just fit your body, it adapts to your lifestyle. From intense training sessions to casual hangouts, it keeps you cool, confident, and effortlessly stylish, making every move look natural and every moment unforgettable. Official website: https://www.adidas.com. Number 3 brand. Nike. Origin company: Nike Incorporated. Country: United States. Founder: Phil Knight and Bill Bowerman. Founded 1964. Nike is not a brand. It's a mindset. Features: Nike kits use DRI-FIT technology to remove sweat instantly and enhance performance. Benefits: ideal for high-intensity sports and lifestyle wear. Keeps body cool in summer, warm in winter. Elevates confidence instantly. Core competencies: innovation leadership, athlete-driven design, global inspiration. Comfort level: top-tier performance comfort. Cloud softness. Ultra-soft inner lining with breathable outer layers. Price range: $60 to $180. Customer reviews. Customers say Nike trousers make them feel active, powerful, and stylish all day long. What makes Nike truly legendary is how it turns every movement into power. The moment you slip into a Nike kit or trousers, it feels like your body becomes sharper, faster, more alive. On the football field, you move with precision. On a morning jog, every step feels effortless. And when you step into a casual or party setting, that same energy radiates. People notice confidence, style, and strength before you even speak. Nike doesn't just cover you, it amplifies who you are, blending performance, fashion, and unstoppable energy into one perfect experience. Official website: https://www.nike.com. Number 2 brand. Under Armour. Origin company: Under Armour Incorporated. Country: United States. Founder: Kevin Plank. Founded 1996. Under Armour is performance luxury. Features: heat gear and cold gear technologies adjust to weather automatically. Benefits: best for professional training and outdoor adventures. Excellent for biking, hiking, racing, and fitness. Core competencies: performance engineering, climate adaptive fabrics. Comfort level: compression-based elite comfort. Cloud softness. Smooth, muscle-friendly fabric feel. Price range: $70 to $200. Customer reviews. Customers praise Under Armour for durability, muscle support, and premium feel. Under Armour isn't just about clothing, it's about unlocking your full potential. Every stitch, every fabric, every contour works with your body. So whether you're hiking mountains, racing on the track, or powering through your daily routine, you move stronger, faster, and more confident than ever before. Official website: https://www.underarmour.com. Number 1 brand. Toptus brand. Lululemon. Origin company: Lululemon Athletica. Country: Canada. Founder: Chip Wilson. Founded 1998. Lululemon is luxury comfort perfected. Features: high-end fabrics like Lawn and Everlux, body contouring design, and minimalist elegance. Benefits: perfect for sports plus luxury fashion. Suitable for all-day wear, all seasons. Looks premium everywhere: gym, party, travel. Core competencies: premium fabric innovation, lifestyle luxury positioning. Ultimate comfort philosophy. Comfort level. Unmatched. Feels like a second skin. Cloud softness. Silk level softness with durability. Price range. $90 to $250. Customer reviews. Customers call Lululemon trousers life-changing, praising comfort, elegance, and confidence. Official website. https://www.lululemon.com. Now think again. What do you really wear every day? Is it just fabric? Or is it how you feel when you walk into a room? These 5 brands don't just cover your body. They upgrade your lifestyle. From early morning runs to late night celebrations. From silent focus to loud confidence. Your trousers speak before you do. Choose wisely. Choose comfort. Choose luxury. Choose your identity. If you love this countdown, don't forget to like, comment, and share your favorite brand. And of course, subscribe to join our family for more amazing fashion secrets, tips, and luxury surprises every week.